Toopy, Toopy, Binoo, Binoo. Toopy and Binoo.
Toopy, that's me! And here's my friend Binoo. We love to laugh, we love to play. That's us, Toopy and Binoo. Binoo, would you like a little something to eat? Let's bake an apple pie then. Let's see what we need. First, a crust. See? Simple. There. Then, it's so simple. Apples. Ta-da! Uh-oh, no more apples. No problemo. I know where we can find some. You brought the crust. Great idea. Look, it's so foggy. We can't see a thing. Huh? Shh, wait. Hear that? It's coming. There's the light. Wow! The apple train is here. Come on, Binoo. This way. Hop. I know it's a long ride to the apples. But apple pies are so good. Okay, now we should see the plane. There it is. Right on time. Climb in, Binoo. Hop. Don't forget your parachute. Okay, let's go! It won't be long now. Aha! See? There's the sign. Follow that apple. Wow! At my signal, pull the cord. Now! Good! Now we're getting closer. Let's see. This way. Careful now. If I remember, we should find the... Whoa! The bridge! Faster, Binoo! It means that we're about to take off. All aboard! I can smell the apples. Our pie's gonna be delicious. Oh, we're here already. And here come the vines. Here's yours. Now follow me. Come on, Binoo! We're almost there. Finally, the door. Thank you. After you. Now, which floor is it again? We're almost there. I can hardly wait. The apples should be somewhere around here for sure. I can smell them. Voila! A nice, big, red, delicious, juicy, and tasty apple. Oh, there. It's perfect. Let's bake the apple pie now. Welcome home, apple. Ow!